This will be the two-person high-shoulder ladder evolution with narration. Like all two-person ladders, we need to start out with the base person in between the second and third rung, and the tip person in between the second and third rung from the tip. After the base person ensures that the tip person is ready, on two-person and three-person ladders, there's always a preparatory command and then an execution command. Preparatory command is prepare to beam ladder, execution command is beam ladder. From that point, base person goes directly to the base of the ladder and gets in the footing position. The next command will be prepare to high shoulder ladder. Tip person goes directly out to the tip, placing his hand on the end of the ladder. The execution command is high shoulder ladder. Ladder is picked directly up over the tip person's head, walking forward with a nice wide stance until he gets to the fourth rung. He's going to set the ladder down onto his right hand on the main beam, supporting the upper beam with his left hand. Once he's in that position, the base person is going to step to the side of the ladder. Say prepare to dip on 3. Once the ladder is lifted up, there's no command. The ladder is walked directly to the objective. This is a two-person high shoulder ladder. Can be done with either the 35, the 30, or the 24-foot extension ladders. When using the heavier ladders, we need to make sure we use proper lifting techniques at all times, and only one person is moving at a time. As the ladders walked into the building, we need to clear all overhead obstructions. When the base person finds the appropriate spot for the ladder, he sets the ladder directly down and immediately foots the ladder and begins to pull on the top beam of the ladder. Tip person uses a hand-over-hand method, thumbs down. Once the ladder comes to vertical, we're going to rock it, roll it, and the base person is going to wrap it with his right foot, placing his right hand high and left hand low. Once it's stable, he's going to say that's high. At that point, the tip person is going to step in with his right hand high, left hand low, and wrap his right foot. The next preparatory command is prepare to raise fly. Execution command is raise fly. As the tip person unlocks the dogs, he needs to state all dogs unlocked, fingers and toes, to ensure the base person's hands and feet are out of the way. When the ladder gets to the desired height, the tip person is going to make sure that all dogs are locked by stating and counting each dog that is locked. Hand goes directly to the rungs, and foot goes directly to the center of the bottom rung, and the ladder goes directly into the building. Base person at this point takes a step back with his right foot. His hands go immediately to the beams, and the ladder is lowered into the building. Base person will come out, make sure we have all 4 points of contact and a proper climbing angle. When removing the ladder from the building, our preparatory command is prepare to remove ladder from building, all clear, and then remove ladder. Base person cheats his way out, puts his right hand high, left hand low, and wraps the toe, states that's high when the ladder becomes vertical. Preparatory command is prepare to lower fly, lower fly. The fly section or sections are completely retracted and all dogs are locked in the bottom position. From a different angle, we can see the base person making his commands, tip person unlocking the dogs and lowering the fly section. Once all dogs are locked in the bottom position, tip person's hand go directly to the beams and straddles the left beam. Base person does the same thing. He's going to state, we're going to pivot on this beam towards you, and automatically pivot with no command. Steps in and foots the ladder with his right foot. Once he's in position, he's going to state, prepare to lower ladder, all clear, making sure all obstructions and people are clear from behind the ladder, and then execution command is lower ladder. Tip person is going to step back with a wide stance, thumbs down, sliding his hands down the ladder until he gets to the fourth rung. Once he gets to the fourth rung, He's going to set the ladder on his right hand, on his shoulder, wide stance, supporting the top beam with his left hand. When he's stable, the base person is going to turn around facing the building, state prepare to dip on 3, and then high shoulder the ladder. When he's stable with a wide stance and his left hand under the main beam of the ladder and his right hand high on the top beam of the ladder, he's going to state prepare to reverse, reverse. Tip person does a hand switch, reverses on the ladder, and as you're walking away from the building, the tip person is going to slide his way all the way out to the tip of the ladder. Base person will state that's high. We're going to stop with a wide stance. State prepare to ground ladder, ground ladder. Tip person automatically foots the tip of the ladder. Once in position, base person can ground the ladder. There's no preparatory command. Slide to the side of the beam and automatically put the ladder flat on the ground.